For tomorrow's game between the Chicago Blackhawks and the Colorado Avalanche, let's have the plush version of Tommy Hawk react to Monday night's game where he'll respond to both a Blackhawks goal and the Toronto Maple Leafs goal horn. Alright, let's see if we can get a 1-0 lead, Tommy. Let's go Hawks. That was close. Whoa. Oh. You can put it on the board. Yes. Mercy. Now we need a 2-0 lead. Let's predict it. God damn it. We now have a tie. Unbelievable. Unacceptable.